Two things we have here. Well, three things actually. We have a major entry level, we have a minor entry level, we have a support zone here, and what I call the moon. This was an awesome trade. I hope you enjoy it. Watch the video. Let me know what you think. Hey, Ra, did Ra buy? Did Ra sell? I'm just gonna tell you, we grabbed 100 points out of this move on a Friday afternoon, and this is the view. I had to step away from the computer to keep my nervous breakdown on hold, and this is the view that keeps me grounded. Okay, and just a little bit here. Okay, yeah, I'm here in a balcony. And this is La Parguera. These are some of the small islands. I don't know if they're, but where we are going is I don't know if you can see here that that's a shipwreck, and we are going here, right here. I'm gonna send you some photos in the next video, so stay tuned. My last weekend here in Puerto Rico, going back to La Gatita next Thursday, God permitting. And yeah, it was an awesome trade, awesome week, and God bless you all, and thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of the video. Hello everyone, welcome to Van Life Day Traders. Ra Saint here with Legacy Futures Trading Group. Today is Friday, yay! April 25th, 2025. It's 11 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. We are here trading the Nasdaq Futures June 2025 contract. This is a 15-minute chart. This is a 1-hour chart to the right. And right now, we have a major entry level here at 19,404. We have a minor entry level here at 19,260. So a lot of points, market pushing to the upside, then to the downside. Right now, I am not doing anything yet. We have a support zone way down here. Oh, let me specify, and you know this, okay? Not financial advice. This is just how I analyze the market per my Legacy Futures trading strategy. And right, I am more inclined into a sell setup, but with this half hour of market pushing to the upside, pushing to the downside, we have here a, let's see how many points range from level to level. We have almost 150 point range, and right now really market could go either way. You want to trade, flip a coin, there's no analysis, nothing really going on. Like I mentioned, I am more inclined into a sell setup, but right now I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with this market yet. Market could push to the upside if they go above that major entry level, perhaps a buy setup. But if we see here the 1-hour chart, let me see if I can get, I don't have my pen, so Epic Pen, give me a few here. Epic Pen, here you are. All right, let's just wait for it to come up. Anyway, until that happens, we have a huge push to the upside. This has been happening for the last 2 days, and we have a big drop here, and now market is kind of in a consolidation zone. So we're gonna grab here this pivot, pop. We have that, and we have here, pop, here, a support. If market breaks that resistance trend line, we could grab some points here. Right now, risk is too high, so I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna keep on watching the market. Today is Friday, so if I don't take a trade, nothing happens. We lost $300 yesterday, 15 points, 7.5 points per times 2 contracts, and I didn't get a chance in the afternoon to get a trade. Okay, yeah, ignore. Here is my pen. So right now, nothing to do, just waiting. Eventually market will move either to the upside above that major entry level or to the downside below that minor entry level. Maybe in an hour, half an hour or 1 hour, we might get a trade. Until then, we just need to wait. The patient game. Yesterday, as I was in a hurry to take a trade, and you know what happened. Even though market keep pushing to the upside, but for now, nothing to see here, nothing to do. I'm just gonna keep on looking at the beautiful view of the ocean. I finally have a plane ticket to go back to Florida, to La Gatita, so yeah, excited to go back, and well, you know what's gonna happen then. But for now, I'm gonna pause this, and we'll be back as soon as market decides where they are going to head up. Is this bullish run done, or are they gonna continue? I don't know. I have my doubts, but we just have to wait and see. See you in a few seconds. Yay, we're back. 11:14. 40 seconds for this candle to close. I'm gonna put a floating order. I was making more in-depth analysis, and yeah, there's a reason for this candle. Market retested that bottom and pushing to the upside, so I am going to buy the next candle, and we should be able to grab more than a few points here. Okay, go down. Down, 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 down. I want to buy the opening, so okay. I don't want to buy the breakout, which that's already gone. Come on, they should come down. Come on, come on. Okay. Okay. And 71. Let's see if I can get a better price. 69.50.
Order filled.
Okay. I mean, let's see, what price did I get? 69.50, 69.75. The reason I usually use a limit order, but market has been so volatile. I mean, you can see here with a market order, I got to, I would have gotten the limit order, but anyway, let me get this out of the way. Okay, this is kind of slow today. Internet, do not plot up. And now it's just a matter of waiting. Okay, yeah, market could go. I wasn't expecting that. Yep. So my stop, people have been asking me, Ra, what are your stops? Right now, I'm not considering a stop. I would consider a stop if market breaks this low, which hopefully it doesn't, because that's like 80 points away. 70, yeah, 80 points away. But as I always mention, I trade by probability, not by risk reward. We have an entry level at 40.0350 and target should be around 30. So my target is gonna be at 1975, which is 50 points, 100 points. That's $2,000. Okay, so that's gonna be my take profit, even though market break that major entry level, which I believe it's highly probable. Not financial advice, this is just how I analyze the market. Okay, it shouldn't have any problem whatsoever pushing to the upside, and 100 points in a Friday before noon. It's gonna be awesome. Now it's just a matter of waiting, and I'm gonna pause this and let's just wait. We'll be back pretty soon. I told you, but what do I know? People say, Ra, how do you know? Well, it's been years and years and years. They say if you study something for 10,000 hours, you can be an expert on anything. Well, I can tell you I have way more than 10,000 hours watching charts. It's ridiculous. But I'm okay with that. I love it. I love watching the charts. I love watching the market. I've you name it, forex, bonds. We traded the Aussie index for a while. That was crazy. Oil. I love trading oil, gold. But anyway, we're here trading the Nasdaq, and we are 7.5 minutes into this candle, and the market, yeah, they kind of, there they go. I'm telling you, once they're gonna break through that major entry level. How do I know? What do I know? I don't know anything. I'm just guessing here. No, I'm not. I'm guessing, I'm not guessing. So yeah, 50 points times 2, 100 points. This trade is gonna be awesome. And let's take those 15 points I lost yesterday. But you know why I lost those. I don't have to remind you. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check yesterday's video. It's a short video. But yeah, here we are. In the meantime, I'm gonna pause this. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep taking pictures of the beautiful ocean view, and you can watch them at the end of the video. Here they go. I'm just gonna stay here and wait for it, because I don't think it's gonna take more than, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 more minutes. Next candle, hopefully And for those following the stops should be right now. Let me move this here. Let's paint this level. Template, load, stop limit. But just so you can follow, okay? It should be here really, but once we have that supporting trend line, you can even move it to here at that trend line minus a few points. But Ra, why do you keep your stop loss so far away? Well, I don't know if this has happened to you, but if you, that's my experience. When I have tight stops, like following the market will come, pop, take my stop. I think it's personal, you know. They're looking at, oh, Ra has this stop here, let's take the stops and then continue to the upside. So I don't care. I'm gonna have it really far away. So they're, because you know it's I think they're watching me, and it's just we all have been through that. Oh, Ra's stop is way too far. We're not gonna be able to get it. So yeah, let him have some profit. Just a little movie I make in my head. I mean, I don't know, fun stuff. So yeah, keep on pushing. I'm telling you guys, entry exit levels, they are there for something. It took me a lot of years to figure those out, and well, yeah, let's see. Hopefully I'm right this time. Keep on pushing. You see, they came near the level. I'm like, yeah, again, you know, Ra is talking too much BS. So let's make him look wrong. Yeah, I'll just wait. We'll be back. Okay, so last candle ended up bearish. I didn't like that. But you know what? This is the Nasdaq. And this is usual price action. I am not happy with what I'm seeing. I'm probably would consider a stop at below that, as we mentioned, that supporting trend line. And you see how they're pushing and holding, pushing and holding. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. But I have to go with my analysis and what gives me confidence when I doubt, which right now I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm doubting, like, okay, did I did the correct thing? I was hoping a continuation to the upside, but you know what keeps me in the trade? The major entry level. That's a very powerful tool that I use, and I have said before, when I figured out, I mean, it's not rocket science, the entry exit levels, but once I figured them out, it was a game changer for me, and I am really confident that market will eventually push over that major entry level. It's not magic, it's the levels are the levels. And yeah, the minor entry level, it's important as well, but the major, it's a stronger level, and let's see, but I'm pretty confident. I am not going to be overwhelmed with what this candle does, but the next candle should be the one that pushes to the upside. Let's see. I may be wrong, I may be right, but I'm really confident of what's going on, even though I am not happy about what's going on. But let's wait and see. Because it's Friday, it's not like we have another day to make if we end up losing something here. But this week has been okay. And I'm gonna shut up because every time I say something, market does the opposite. So we'll be back. Okay, 11:49, and market broke that supporting trend line, which was a weak supporting trend line, and now we have a resistance trend line. A break of that resistance trend line will confirm the move, and yeah, I'm not happy with what's going on, but here they go. Here they go, and a break above our entry level. It's a freeway and to the moon, and they're pushing. And like I told you before, and I will tell it again, those entry levels are the bomb. So hopefully these 9.5 minutes of this candle are gonna be crucial, but it looks good. It looks good. It's not fun, but they're well, you're seeing it. Come on, keep on pushing. This is gonna be a great trade. I've been telling you. Yeah. No, okay, I have 10 minutes left. Anyway, yeah, everything looks beautiful. So let's see a break above this candle high, and like I mentioned, it's to the moon. Actually, let's put a moon here. Okay, moon. Yay, that's where they're going. Let's just watch and see. How do I know? Entry levels, baby. Well, I'll be back because as soon as I start talking, they do the opposite. So I hope you're enjoying this like I am. A little nervous, but enjoying it for sure. Here they go. Oh, now we take this high to this other high, and that's the last hurdle before the push to the moon. I like that, to the moon. Yeah. Okie dokie. So before we mention that a stop loss was below this pivot. It's not a pivot actually, but before this low, okay, 2 candles, and market pushed to the downside. This is the lowest pivot before this. Hopefully this one, we don't know yet if this is gonna be a pivot, but more than probably it will be, and they're gonna break this high. They're gonna break this high. That's the only hurdle holding the market before. You know it. You're saying it, to the moon. Yep. So let's just wait and see. We might grab some more points than this take profit level. I don't want to get greedy. Okay, 50 points, 100 points on a Friday afternoon. It's an awesome trade. So let's just wait and see we'll be back. I just have a few minutes before the recording session tells me like, you know, Ra, you're talking too much. You are cut. So we'll be back. Okie dokie, 12:15 in the afternoon, and this candle is going to be crucial. So we're gonna move our stop here at 348. Actually, we can push it a little bit. So 20-point stop loss. I can move this one just in case disaster happens, but it shouldn't. Again, okay, we have this resistance trend line which is not valid anymore. This is the important one, and a break through that, and then we are going to the moon. So yeah, hopefully, I mean, if I wasn't so daredevil, I would put my stop loss right at break even plus a few points, but I am confident 90 something percent that market will keep on pushing. They are breaking that resistance trend line, and there we go. Okay, so I only have a few minutes here, so let's see. At least, come on, unless they bounce off that major entry level again, which I don't think they're gonna do that, but I can mention this should be break even plus one and a winning trade no matter what. I'm gonna hold it still, because you know that's how I trade probabilities, baby. And they're bouncing off that resistance trend line, and that's okay. They can do whatever they want. They should keep on pushing. It's crucial, this and actually I should be closing the trade per my trading plan trading goals. I already have 30 points right there, $600, but we lost 300 yesterday, and I'm gonna hold it because I understand that market should keep on pushing. So we'll be back. Happy Friday, yay! Here they come. Yep. What do I know? 1975, and come on, and come on. Okay, you're teasing me. Come on, hit it. I can hold it. I don't care. Come on, and yeah. They don't want to do it, but they will. Come on. One more tick.
Target filled.
Ka-ching. What do I know? I don't know anything. I am just a lucky guy that I've been doing this for a few weeks. You know more than that. Alrighty. Awesome trade. Great and awesome Friday. And my friend called me like, hey, Ra, are we gonna go to the beach? And I'm like, you know what? I'm trading. Every time I finish trading, I have a headache. I don't want nobody talking to me. But you know what? Today is Friday, and I am so happy And yeah, this is my last Friday here in Puerto Rico. I am going back on Thursday, and I'm gonna have to start another video. But anyway, yeah, I told you guys, this is no luck. It's just a lot of charting hours. We have Nasdaq buy settled. We have entry to contract at 369.75. Okay, pop. We have target to contract at 19.75. For cuánto, how much? Yep, 50 puts. Pop. We have total trade. We have 100 points, which equals, you know how much it equals, $2,000. Why? Because, ¿por qué? Because we know market gives $20 per Nasdaq point. Boom. Really awesome trade. I call it, those entry levels are the bomb. Hope you enjoy this video. I hope you're having an awesome trading week as well. And let's enjoy the weekend. All right. Love you all. God bless you. God